Hi, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Allie.
And we are Allie Chuck Adventures.
And this week we are going to do a little maintenance on the RV, where Chuck is.
Yeah, Chuck is. It is mid-October in Florida, and it is still feeling like August out here. It is super hot, but today's job is to clean our awning and to clean our roof and just to do a general inspection up on the roof, make sure all the caulk and lap sealant is still intact and doesn't need any recaulking or resealing up there, as the Florida sun is very harsh on anything outside, as anybody who lives down here knows. So I'm going to make that trip down to Walmart, or as I like to call it, Wally World, get some cleaning supplies for the roof. I was going to use Murphy's oil soap, but I'm not sure. I was doing a lot of research online, so if any of you out there have ever used the Murphy oil soap to clean your RV roof, I would really appreciate a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Give me some opinions on that, as I was almost going to go that way, but I'm going to go ahead and use some actual RV roof cleaner. Then I'm going to go over it when I'm done and put some 303 Aerospace UV Protectant over the top of it. Walmart trip was successful. So I actually found this in Walmart, and I actually seen this online recently. It's spray and forget for RVs. I'm a little apprehensive to use it, honestly, but I'm going to try it on an inconspicuous area and just do a little bit and see how it works. It's supposed to remove bugs, black streaks with no brushing, or with brushing, and it was supposed to rejuvenate the rubber trims. So I don't know, we'll see. I'll test it out and I will let you guys know what I think of it. So in addition to getting the spray and forget, I also got the rubber roof cleaner and conditioner. It's a Camco brand, so I'm not sure how good this is going to be, but our roof is not too dirty, so I'm going to hope that it doesn't take a whole lot of elbow grease and effort to clean the roof. I almost forgot, I actually got the RV rubber conditioner too. I'm going to go back over all the rubber seals when we're done. Even though this spray and forget says it reconditions seals and everything, I want to go over it with that. Oh, the spray and forget also says it does awnings. So as you can see, our awning is starting to get the black streaks where it's rolled up. And I don't want to let it get too bad like our previous awning, because right now it's just 3 bad lines and it's starting to go into 4 and 5. So I want to take care of that and get that all cleaned up. Okay, so the sun is starting to dip that way a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to try to do the front nose cap with this spray and forget real quick, and because I'm anxious to try it out, I want to see how it's going to do. So I'm going to try the front nose cap since it's not directly in the sun anymore. It did take the bugs off easily. It was just a little bit of brushing. Going to see how much water spotting and everything it leaves. It did seem to sheen off pretty good, but then I do have a good wax on there. I'm hoping that didn't strip the wax. If it did, I'll just reapply some more spray wax. I've been using the ceramic coatings spray wax anyway. It's pretty easy to apply. So I'm going to go ahead and try spraying the underneath side of this awning and see if I can go ahead and get it clean right now. Well, I will have to say there is a big difference. It does look a lot better. I can't reach back underneath there, if you can see. I'll have to get the ladder, and that's what it looked like before. So it gives you a good idea. It wasn't hard to brush it. I wasn't putting a lot of effort into it. It's just kind of hard reaching over your head in general, but it looks pretty good. So I think I'm gonna get the ladder a little bit and get up there and see if I can't reach some of those areas I can't reach from here in the ground. The awning's been sitting for a little bit. It still looks pretty good. Yeah, it looks pretty good. Not a lot of water streaking and spotting. A little bit, but if that's the worst it does, I'd be happy with that, just because of the convenience of just being able to spray it on and spray it off. Okay, you can see already that the roof has gotten quite dirty, especially where the tree is hanging over here. This looks to be the worst part of it though. I gotta get these branches back. Okay, so I've done 3 sections and it's looking a lot better. It's still wet there, so it's got to dry. But as I'm cleaning, I can see all the nastiness. I can see all the nastiness and the dirt coming off. So I think it's going to work pretty good. All right, I am done. Done. And it looks a lot better. Still a little bit of stuff here where the tree was, but I'll come back and check it tomorrow. But it looks quite a bit better. I don't know how good that Camco rubber roof cleaner was, but we'll see. We'll see how it looks tomorrow when it's dry. Okay, I'm going to try spraying the rest of the wet and forget around the whole RV here, and we're going to see how it ends up turning out. Mainly, I want to do this too to make sure I've rinsed off all the cleaner from the roof. It says not to let that dry on the sides of the RV, so that's what I'm going to try not to do. Try not to let it dry there. Well, and looking at the RV this morning, after washing it with the spray and forget RV edition, it looks pretty good. I have to say, you can actually see the reflection of the awning arm right there in the side, so it's got a nice shine to it. So I'm pretty happy with it. I sprayed the rims too yesterday, and they were really dirty. All I did was just spray them and rinse them off, and they look, well, 80% better than what they did. So I think I will try this product again. And it really did a good job on the awning. Again, I've got to get up there with a ladder and get the spot that I missed. But it looks good. I'm pretty happy. I will drop a link in the description down below in case you guys want to try it and pick up a bottle just to try. I probably will go over everything with some more wax though. I do like to keep it spray waxed. Okay, it's time for me to get up on top of the roof and treat the roof with some 303 Aerospace UV Protectant, and then I will be pretty much done. All right, so the roof does look a lot better today after it's dried. Looks pretty clean. So it's time to spray some 303 and get her protected. All right, so I've put all the 303 spray up there. The roof is done. One thing I've noticed on the roof up there, there's several spots where the roofing material appears to be loose, and I do not like the looks of that. So I'm not sure, but I think I may have to end up looking into some warranty work on that, because I don't think that rubber roof material should be loose, even around the edges. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, if that is normal or not. I don't remember seeing that on our old Jayco Whitehawk. So it might be part of some warranty work that we end up having to have done. But everything's done, and we're ready for our next camping trip. Hey, if you found this video useful in any way, please drop us a thumbs up down below, because that really does help out the channel in the analytics and pushing our channel up in the algorithm. We will see you guys next week.